Better day today, innit? Nothing to report anyway, nobody been back. I come back for an hour, but I got bored so I went home, but nobody's been back anyway. Shirley's gone getting me a thingy from Wigan. Aspen Stapler and a new lock. And Ken's just gone for a lock for Newgate, Henry's just running. We've not gone yet, we're just walking out that car. Henry's had them spuds out, that's what Henry's got out of there, see. Out of that one row. So, same as I said, he got about same as me. Couple of meals. Probably 4 meals for Henry. There you go. That's gardening for you. I'm just mixing some tomato food, I've just mixed it. There. Because it's tomato feeding day then, and pepper feeding day. Oh, I'll tell you what, you know this Thai chili? Never noticed the other day, but look, it's full of them. You know? Like green beans, big long ones. Look at that one. So, I want them turning red. Barry Astor's got a couple starting now, but not as good as that one. So we're getting a lot of peppers on, but they're a bit late, so hopefully we'll get them ripe. These are ready for taking now, these yellow ones. I don't know if that thing is rotting off because it looks like it's going yellow at end. I've got a cucumber in them, but it's not, it's a loofah. I don't know what's happening with it. Should be fattening up a little bit. Well, they've got a long season now, I've been reading about them. Loads of tomatoes again, isn't there? Ridiculous. Right, I'll give them a feed. So that's another bed empty. Now he's going to compost, I'll take it in a minute. Henry's took all these knackered cabbage out. So this is empty now. So I'll just give it a good rake over. So that can lay empty now, that. I'll just take that to compost. And that can be filled with horse manure now, that will leave that one. Get that one settled till next year. Without horse manure working, bulk them beds up. Oh, there's a big slug, there's a big slug there. Ah. I don't know what he's after, there's nothing in there for him. Probably, hey, I'll tell you what. I've just seen a fishing pond. I can't believe it, I've not put any fish in. Looks like I could baby fry, so if I see if it's there. Maybe about an inch long. I was surprised this morning when I saw one. Yeah. Keep swimming under that green stuff there, and then green teeth. Yeah, there's definitely a little fish in about an inch long. One at least. I don't know, like, well, Ken has just said he watched the programme, and birds carry eggs on their feet from different ponds, and when they go in ponds, that's how you end up with fishing. Well, belted. Can't wait, what's that, bro? Just put some bread in and it's gone. Little crumbs of bread because we've just had sausages. But, it's in there somewhere, definitely. Good luck, little man. Right, kettle. Well, 8:45 and everything is done. Belting. Love this time of year, me. Harvesting. Seeds in there, ready. Ready for another shout. peaceful. Hey, there's only one other one on this morning. I've cleared all the rest of them old spuds out of there. Put them in all that. There's always one, two. See now them next year will grow into potato plants. Whatever you plant in there, you'll have a spud in there. All this is clear now. Need some salt for these grass. Worked on that grass, haven't it? Salted all up there for a couple of weeks and it's just gone. But it's this little bit here. Yeah, so that's all tidy now. We'll keep that weed free. Get some horse manure on it. Terrible when you've got fronts that don't fit proper. It's all eaten there. Got this creeping buttercup starting again. But the one thing this took, well two, bolt croppers and the hurry earth. So I'm going to have to do that with one of them. Because they've nicked me hurry in half. Because I know it was hung on there. But it leaked everywhere, so that must have gone. So I need to go and weed that bed. Thought I had nothing to do, but I have. Just picking up 30 little jobs now. Just been pruning these trees back a bit because it was getting a bit wild. So I'll take tops off them. See how golden delicious now. Our single golden delicious. It's just growing leaves at the top, I can see it. Still a bit red yet. These are pure green that. Done that one, done that one, done that one. Done that black currant bush. So compost is full of them. We still have them 4 trees in that bush. I've weeded down there. Just weeded front of that pea bed. So I think I deserve a brew. Eat. That's about it. About 20 past 9, so nothing else to do up here now. Everything's been fed and watered. Good bob on. Make sure these seeds are okay. Yeah. Doing okay now, getting the second leaves on these broccoli. So next week I'll be ready for planting up into the little pots. Yeah, I've nothing else to do this morning. I'll not be on tomorrow, only for half an hour, just got water up, so I'll not be doing nothing tomorrow, but Sunday. I'll be on Sunday morning with Henry. Yeah. We'll get these spuds up on Sunday if Henry wants. Get the rest of them out of there. And get these up. I'll try and get some potato sacks off Shirley. Because she's working this weekend. I'm not going to weed in there because them backers coming out probably next week. So I'll just give it a weed when I take all that out. Can't bother weeding in between plants. Only another week. Not as if you've got weeds anywhere else, is it? Hey. Anyway, I'm going to get home because I've come back after. Excuse me, coffee again. I've come back after and put a lock on the. Not got a good daft. Just got to put a normal one on. Just for keep normal people out. But you'll never stop them idiots, will you? Well, they're not even idiots, they're just. I can't even say it. I've no beat machine. Well, I moved that tree down there, that Acer. Just for shoved that back because he was walking into these, it's that tall. So it's still flowering that. I've just deadheaded it and it's got loads of new buds on. So, melting. Right, see you Sunday with Henry.